It's finally done. About an hour ago, I finished creating my very first online course about underwater videography. Now in today's channel update, I want to show you a bit of the process that was involved in creating this course. I do want to give you a bit of a sneak peek into the course itself and also show you some behind the scenes impressions and material from the production phase of the course. And last but not least, I also want to announce the winner of the online course competition, the person that is gonna get a free access to this very course that I have just finished creating. So let's get on to it. Hey there and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School and this month channel update. And what a joyous, happy and exciting channel update this is. I can finally present and announce to you the finished creation of my first online course for underwater videography. It has been quite a journey from the initial idea of creating an online course to now actually have all the content and everything put together, uploaded onto the course platform and ready for you guys to dive into and learn more about underwater filmmaking and how you can become a better underwater videographer. Now, how was this course created? What was the process behind it? This is kind of what I want to talk about in this channel update because, let's be honest, the past 8 weeks I've dedicated pretty much 100% of my time into creating this online course for you. So there is not a lot of other things that I can talk about right now. Well, initially I had the idea for the creation of this course probably a couple of years back, but then I pushed it aside and it came back to me earlier this year, somewhere around March or April. A few weeks after that, I seriously started thinking about the creation of this course and I was determined to actually do it. And then when I saw that there was a window opening up with no client projects happening in the summer, I knew that this was my time that I needed to use if I wanted to create this course anytime soon. So at the beginning of July, I took off to the mountains, the Swiss mountains. I locked myself into an apartment up there and I was determined to create the course structure and to script all the lessons that I wanted to have included in the course. Now my goal was to include as much of my knowledge and experience into this course without making it, too overwhelming. Because I wanted to have this as a full, complete guide to filming underwater, but compact, so that someone who just starts out with filming underwater can get a lot of value out of it, as well as someone who has been doing underwater videography for a certain amount of time, but just is looking for ways to improve their underwater filmmaking skills. Initially, I thought that this process of scripting and creating the course structure would only take about 2 to 3 days. It ended up taking nearly 2 weeks. And it was a very challenging process where I had to, just start over a couple times again until I was really happy with the course structure and the content that I wanted to include in this course. After this was done, I came back here to the office and my studio in Zurich, and then we had to decide on where we would want to film all the stuff. And at this place, I really want to say a big thank you to Sebastian, my friend and buddy who was helping me out a lot with this course, who was giving me advice on locations, on setups, just really, really helpful. Sebastian, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the time, dedication and your help that you've put into this course. And this course would not be the same without your help that you've put into this. So thank you very, very much. Well, anyways, we've decided that this was going to be the main setup that we're going to be using for the course, where I do all the talking head stuff, where I do all the explanation videos, and then we've obviously used the extensive library of stock footage that I've got at hand from my 10 plus years of filming underwater, and we used some of that stock footage as B-roll overlaid onto the material that we've recorded here, so that we could show you example footage and actually sort of show you a little better what we explained in the videos itself. All in all, we created then about 25 videos that are included in the course. It's divided into 4 chapters, 13 lessons, and as I said, about 25 individual videos that will take you through all the basics and all the important stuff that you need to know when it comes to filming underwater. Now, I'm not someone who's inexperienced talking to a camera and being in front of a camera, but it was very, very tough for me to create that amount of videos in a fairly short amount of time. And I'm gonna be honest, after having recorded a couple videos a day, I was really done. And we had to spread out the whole production process to sort of like 2 weeks, I think it took in total to capture all the videos, and not just the videos in here, but we also went out to the lake, did some captured some footage underwater, captured some footage by the lakeside, and we also rented out a part of an indoor swimming pool for half a day, where we captured some B-roll material and some comparison material that we needed from the certain sections of the course. So now that you know a little bit more about the process of producing this course, why don't we have a sneak peek at the course itself? The easiest way how I can give you a sneak peek to the course is by providing you the link in the video description below this video that will bring you to the product page. There's going to be a little description about the product, the course itself, and if you scroll further down, you'll see the entire course structure listed there. You can open up the individual chapters, you can see the lessons and the topics of each of the lesson, and the first 3 lessons, the introductory lessons, they're actually free to access even without buying the course. So you can get a sneak peek of the course there, you can get a feel for how the content is being delivered and whether or not this is something that you like as a learning experience. The course is regularly priced at 249 euros, but obviously I do have a special offer as a launch special for you guys. For the first 50 people buying the course, the price will drop down to 149 euros. After the first 50 people have bought the course, the price will go up to 189 euros and will stay there until the end of September. From October 1st, the regular price is gonna apply. To benefit from the launch offers, you'll need some coupon codes that need to be entered at the checkout when you buy the course. I will leave those coupon codes as well as a quick description on how to use them down in the video description below. Now there's also one lucky one of you who will not have to pay anything for the course, and that's the winner of our online underwater videography course competition that has been running for the past couple of weeks here on the channel. About 150 people have signed up for that competition, and I'm very happy to announce the lucky winner, which is Turgut Veletin. Congratulations mate, you've won a free access to my brand new online underwater videography course. You get an email from me in the next couple of days with your access code so you can access the course for free, and I wish you a lot of fun learning more about underwater videography. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Head over to the online course, take a sneak peek, and if you do like it, make sure that you can benefit from the launch offer. Not much more to say than thank you to all of you and every single one as an amazing community that you are. You definitely made the difference and pushed me towards creating this online course, and I'm internally grateful for all the support that you've always shown me in all the things that I've been creating on this channel here. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I would also like to thank again Sebastian for being such a good friend and helping me out with this course. Sebastian, this would not have been possible without you, know that. And last but not least, I want to say thank you to my family, my friends, and in particular my girlfriend for being so patient and understanding in the last couple of weeks because of all the long hours that I had to put into creating this course and the very minimal time that I had available for them. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your understanding, your support and your patience there, and I really hope that this is gonna change now a little bit again. So until next time, happy bubbles, enjoy capturing your amazing underwater adventures, and I will see you in the next video.